What is going on, SHIB Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. The market continues to pull back, and it's hurting us more than it did yesterday and the day before that. So you can see Bitcoin broke below $30,000, which is a pretty big deal, of course. Ethereum under 1800, Binance Coin at 234, Dogecoin at 17 cents. This is what seems like probably the worst crash we have seen in a really long time. If we scroll down a little further, Shiba Inu, although it's going up in ranking, also down 13.37, approaching the 600 Satoshi unit mark. Now remember guys, my channel is not for financial advice, nor am I a financial advisor. Rather, I try to put you guys on the place that I'm in. So as you can see, Shiba Inu continues to pull back, and it's something that is really hard to stomach. There's a lot of different reasons for this. Different catalysts, negative catalysts, if you will, that are potentially making the market pull back, including, Bitcoin, all the FUD that was spread yesterday regarding this crossing of the death cross, if you will. But of course, the market reacted, and we're seeing it. Whales are selling out of their positions and looking to get in at better price points. Whatever it may be, regardless, right now, we're seeing a lot of sell-off, people just paper handing, leaving, getting out. But for me, I'm not. And I could, again, if whether or not because remember, I can't tell you whether to buy or sell, but regardless of what you think is going on, it's hard to look at the market and say, wow, I'm waiting for the bull run. When is the bull run coming? All these questions and speculations are okay to have. And of course, when big people who have, historically been correct about crashes, the man himself, Michael Burry, from The Big Short. If you haven't seen the movie, I actually would recommend it. It's a pretty good movie regarding the housing crash he was someone who shorted the housing market back in 2008. But he warns of the mother of all crashes, says crypto's problem is leverage. So if you scroll down and read about it, he said here, all hype and speculation is drawing in retail before the mother of all crashes. Fear of missing out, parabolas don't resolve sideways. When crypto falls from trillions or meme stocks fall from tens of billions, Main Street losses will approach the size of countries. History ain't changed. He also commented on cryptocurrency, asserting that the problem with crypto, as in most things, is the leverage. The famed investor further opened, and he said, if you don't know how much leverage is in crypto, you don't know anything about crypto, no matter how much else you think you know. Burry previously said that he does not hate Bitcoin, but is concerned about the government coming down heavily on cryptocurrency, which of course is a valid concern. He warned in February that in an inflationary crisis, governments will move to squash competitors in the currency arena. While emphasizing, I don't hate Bitcoin, Burry then said, in his view, the long-term future is tenuous for decentralized crypto in the world of legally violent, heartless, centralized governments with lifeblood interest in monopolies on currencies. Nonetheless, he said he is not short. He is not short on Bitcoin because in the short run, anything is possible. So, you guys heard it from him, right? And he's not necessarily someone that we need to look up to or believe when it comes to crypto advice, because again, he's not a financial advisor. He just gives his own opinion. But when a man who has success in shorting the market in the past, of course, people look at it as, could he be right? That's the big question. Could he be correct? In my opinion, what am I doing right now in terms of the crypto market? I don't think the market's going to crash, right? People are saying, oh, Shiba is going back to 100 Satoshi units or 140 Satoshi units, which is a big drop from where it is right now. Bitcoin back to 15K. All these different people who are spreading so much FUD, which is scaring investors out. So you have the two options, as I mentioned in my previous videos, as the market pulled back. You can either sell out of your position or hold on for dear life or pounce and buy the dip or double down. So yesterday, if you didn't have the opportunity to do so, today might be a good day to do that. We know where the support line was. If we just look quickly at the even 1 day chart, we could see right where it pulled back here at 5,800 or so. We saw it again. It's pulling right back to where that support line was. Now, if we break that level of support, the next one, we know it's not very clear, basically. So really, again, that 300 Satoshi Inu mark might be the next level of support that we can see based off previous patterns. But regardless, right now where we're at as of the making of this video is potentially an attractive entry point if you're trying to get some skin in the game. But of course, make your own decision, and please, if anything, do as much research as possible before making any blind decision, whether it's buying or selling out of your crypto position. For me, I am going to always be bullish on Shiba Inu. Only good news happened, and I'm going to share that here with you guys in a little bit. But first, I do want to mention, when the market is pulling back, if there's any way that I can get you guys more money in your pockets, it's with Webull and BlockFi. So Webull, down below in the description, click the link. You have till the 30th, 8 more days to get 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, pretty much just for free. All you got to do is deposit money into your account, $100, and then you get 1 free stock between $300 and $300 for just signing up, and a second free stock once you deposit your $100 between $8 and $2,000. So you can buy Shiba Inu with that. You can do whatever you want, but take advantage of these times when Webull's offering the free sign-up bonus. And also, 1 in 50, the probability of you getting Google, Facebook, Procter & Gamble, or Starbucks stock, 1 in 50 of you will get that. So if you know, Google stock is a $2,000 stock. So please take advantage of it and don't let this opportunity pass you up. And with BlockFi, earn up to $250 worth of free Bitcoin when you deposit money into your BlockFi account. At a very minimum, $100 to get some free money, all the way up to whatever you can. So go ahead and take advantage of these times, especially with Bitcoin pulling back. $250 worth of free Bitcoin today would be worth more, hopefully, as the market pulls back up. So really a no-brainer to do. Let's go on Twitter. As you guys saw, Steve, the Shiba analyst, uploaded part 2 of the Shibaswap tutorial. And you guys know he talked about burying, the burying tutorial and staking. So there's a little disclaimer here that says, on Shibaswap, you can stake your tokens and lock them for a flexible period in order to receive returns proportionally to your contribution to the pool. That is your own investment. When you stake SHIB, leash or bone, you will receive XSHIB, XLeash, or T-bone. That token represents your share of the pool. So people are asking, does that mean my SHIB tokens are gone? No, you basically have this collateral or receipt waiting for you as XSHIB, XLeash, or T-bone in the staked pool. The returns are distributed weekly for all users. Disclaimer, you will get more consistent returns if you don't unstake, basically leaving them in the pool. The more time your tokens are staked, the more returns you will get back. That's a mechanism to ensure a fair return distribution among the holders, and it is independent for each one of the staked tokens. Remember, you can claim the 33% of your returns every single week, but the remaining 67% of them will be locked in for 6 months. So make sure you understand this disclaimer, because I think it's going to matter when Shibaswap is released. But I'm super excited for all the good things to come, because again, guys, I keep saying it, but for Shiba Inu, right now, this is only the beginning. For the crypto market, we just need some positive catalyst. We need some individuals to step in with bullish sentiments that have a name to themselves. Where's Elon where we need him? That's who I'm expecting to tweet out hopefully soon. Again, when we see Michael Burry and all these other news articles with so much fear, uncertainty, and doubt, of course that gives people, especially the paper hands, speculation and makes them sell out of their positions. But in my opinion, again, I think that the potential is still very, very strong, and I'm still as bullish as I was any other day. So what am I going to do? If I have the ability to increase my buying power today, I'm going to pounce. And that's all we can do. Or hold and don't worry about it. And of course, the last thing you can do is sell out of your position for a loss, or sell your position for a gain and step out of the market like a lot of people are doing. But in my opinion, that's probably the worst thing you can do because of the potential that this market has. I'll continue to share my thoughts and bullish sentiments. But of course, the market right now is looking pretty bearish, but I think it's going to snap out of this bearish momentum hopefully sooner rather than later. Thank you so much, everybody, for tuning in. I really do appreciate your support. If you haven't already, head over to Twitter and give me a follow. Twitter has been probably my favorite social media platform out of them all. And shout out to everybody. I've been trying to do as much tweeting, if you will, and replying to tweets. It's just been super fun with all the media and the links. Everything that you guys have been offering, it's been super fun. So I'm going to continue to do so. But again, I really appreciate all your guys' love and support. We're almost at 50,000 subscribers, sitting at 48,400. and I think we'll get there hopefully by the end of the month, but we'll see. So thank you so much for tuning in, everybody, and until next time then, keep investing.